Kutty here. Are you able to hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. So my name is Anis Kutty. I'm from Pune, basically a Keralite, teaching mathematics from the last 33 years. We specialize in defense competitive exam, and that is the topic today. And in this topic, I'll be discussing how to join Indian Army, Navy, Air Force through various courses or through various exams prescribed by the Government of India. I will start from the very basic, because somebody who wants to join the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, first thing that they want is a mindset. If you don't have that mindset of serving the nation, then you will not be able to get motivated. You have to have a passion. We call it Junoon in Urdu, to serve the nation. And that passion will only lead to your success, because whatever exams that are being conducted is a very tough exam, and people, it's not easy for an average child to maintain that consistency. I will always exams, you have to start from first standard.
Voice is not clear, sir.
You are able to,
No, sir.
Sir, your voice is not clear enough.
any problems, sir? From my side, I'm able to hear. Check the voice. From my side, if you are able to clear, write in the chat box. I also want the attendance in the chat box, those who are there, so that I can chat to them later on.
Now it's fine, sir.
You can also tell me
Clear, sir.
on what topic I should talk. You can put in your chat box if you have any doubts.
Sure, sir.
Also share your mobile number so that I can also connect to you later on.
Fine, sir.
Now, the first thing that I start with, the boy comes in the first standard. He should be able to learn what I call mental maths. Mental maths is something very important for him. What we call, in Indian tradition, we call it as Vedic mathematics. See, this is something very important. The way you calculate things, because whatever exams you do in NDA, all these exams are multiple choice questions, where you have to solve the things in very less amount of time. So if you don't train your children right from first standard onwards for experiential learning,
Mute all participants, sir.
mute all participants. Experiential learning and but these are the things that these are the 4 things that they should be able to learn. I'm typing so that you can understand. So logical reasoning, logical reasoning, analytical skills, aptitude, these are the things which I call, in English language it is called as dexterity. You can find the meaning of dexterity. D-X-T-R-I-T-Y. This is what I will always say. Then when he comes into second standard, he has to learn, or he has to appear for various exams called, there are a lot of Olympiad exams going on. So all those Olympiad exams, whatever exams are there, that he has to look for. Even, astronomy is a very good exam. When he comes to the third standard, he should start preparing for his language skills. There are a lot of things that he has to do, worksheets, problems that he can solve. When he comes to the fourth standard, and if I talk about Maharashtra or any other state, there is state scholarship exams. So the boy has to appear for those exams so that, he's able to analyze his skills properly. And from fourth standard onwards, he has to study for various exams. The first exam that I will say that I coach free throughout India is called Navodaya. How many of you have heard Navodaya exams? If you have known Navodaya, please say yes in the chat box. Navodaya type course. Navodaya. Every district of India has got one Navodaya. Every district of India. Any poor, normally it is in the rural area, and the entrance exam is conducted in all regional languages. So it is easy for a child from a rural area or from a vernacular school to appear for this exam. But basically, maths, science, and general knowledge is checked, current affairs, and almost the capacity is about 100 students they take up. So that is also a very good way of entering into a school, a reputed school for children who are studying in rural area. The next stage that comes in for a child is to get into Sainik school. In India, every district has a Sainik school. The Sainik school in Maharashtra was in Satara. अभी login करके check करो आवाज आ रहा है क्या? Sainik school is in Maharashtra. Now, because the importance of Sainik school and because of the awareness, because of social media has increased, there is one more Sainik school in Maharashtra, that is in Chandrapur. See, I'm not talking about private Sainik schools. There are a number of private Sainik schools, but they don't have that kind of level. They don't have that kind of facilities for a child. They are not able to brainwash your child to become an officer. I'm talking about a Sainik school which is by the central government. In Maharashtra, it is in Satara, and now the new one has started in Chandrapur. The best Sainik school in India is in Bijapur. So Karnataka has got two Sainik schools, one in Madikeri, Coorg, and the other is in Bijapur. They have an entrance exam, and you have to prepare your child from 4th standard itself, because when he goes into 5th, he has to learn about these exams. So he has to do general knowledge, he has to do an intelligence, he has to also study for maths and his science. So whatever he is going to study is whatever portion that comes in the exam is whatever he has learned from 1 to 4th. There is one more school which I always talk about, and normally there is a lot of quota for those children, those parents who are already working in the army. That is called as RMS. In India, there are only 5 RMS. RMS type karega the type kar RMS. It is in Belgaum, it is in Bangalore, it is in Ajmer, it is in Chel, it is in Simla, Dholpur in Rajasthan. These are 5 reputed schools in India for which there is an entrance exam being conducted, and it's an all India level exam. Mind you, even if a child doesn't get into the RMS school, if he goes through that exam process, you will find him that he becomes more practical and he is able to understand things better. He will be able to develop his logical thinking, analytical reasoning, aptitude, and other things, skills. That's what I call dexterity. So he has to attend that also. So this is also very important. The next exam that a boy has to give, see, Sainik school entrance exam is in 6th, then 9th and 11th also. Similarly, RMS school, you have an entry point at 5th standard, then 6th standard, 9th standard and 11th standard also. So if you are not able to clear in 5th level, you should clear in the 9th level. And in the 9th level, you should start preparing from 5th, 6th standard itself. Then there is one, my favorite exam, and I call that exam as called as RIMC. You can type RIMC and you can Google and find out about RIMC. Rashtriya Indian Military College. This exam is conducted by people every 6 months. There is only one school throughout India, and it is in Dehradun. Are you able to hear me? RIMC. Dehradun school is called Rashtriya Indian Military College. A boy who's studying in 6th will be directly entering into 8th standard. It is, I say, the toughest exam. I'm not saying one of the toughest. I'm saying the toughest exam throughout the world conducted at this level. Mind you, there is no more exam, or there is no other exam conducted by anywhere in the world which is as tough as RIMC. And one more thing that I want is, you have to understand, in RIMC, the question level is very tough. The English, the maths and the general knowledge, all 3. You have to maintain a level. Even the teachers who are not prepared for it will not be able to solve those papers. Sometimes one question carries 10 marks each. So that level of intelligence should be there in the child. The selection ratio, only one from a child, only one from a state. Only one child is selected from a state. So every 6 months, they are going to select only 30. seven brigadiers of India are from RMC. See, China claims that there is an exam called Gaokao. Type kar Gaokao. Gaokao. This is China, space China. This is an exam conducted by China at the same age group, different provinces, and the entire parents, they are, they take leave from their office and sit with the child to make them understand this. The concept Tiger Mom. The concept of Tiger Mom, Tiger, Tiger Mom has come from this. The parents want the child to get trained, because if it is not, they don't get admission into good universities if they don't clear this exam. You can Google and find more about Gaokao. In India, the education standards are quite high. If you go to South Africa, you Google South Africa, there is a big, imbalance between teachers and students, universities. So because of the lockdown, I have understood a lot of many things because of being online. You can understand that what Indians offer, the world, nobody can offer. And the one thing that Indians can offer is mathematics. And I always tell my children, these 4 things are very important. Even if you don't join the Army, Navy, Air Force, if you're not able to join, you can get a white-collar job only if you're good in maths. Mathematics is important in artificial intelligence, AI, space AI, space ML, machine learning, space data science, AI, space ML, space DS. So if you want to know artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, DS, you have to know more maths. So mathematics plays a pivotal role in this. And 90% of the world has got mathematics phobia. Now I'll come for a student who is in the 8th standard onwards. Suppose he has not cleared RMC. He has to study for an exam which is called as NTSE. Sir, NTSE is type corona. NTSE. NTSE, National Talent Search Exam. This exam is conducted on an all India level basis, and it has got lot of scope, lot of scholarship is given in it. People are not aware. When child comes in the 10th standard, then they think about giving this exam. No. When the child is in 8th standard itself, he has to start thinking about giving this exam. It has got 2 stages, stage 1 and stage 2. And you get scholarship till you die. There are a lot of scholarships that are available. So everybody should give NTSE. If there are parents attending, kitne log attend kar rahe sir, check karo. Ask them to write the name. Please convey by message to the students, your children, your community, your neighborhood, your friends, your family, your relatives about these exams. Because, during lockdown, people are in depression, anxiety. And after lockdown also there will be a life, inshallah. So it is very necessary that children should get trained for it. They should analyze their skills. And now, more than the degree, the skills will be important for a child. And skill will be analyzed through these exams. Those who know about NTSE should also know that there is one more exam called KVPY. KVPY type karo sir. KVPY. So this is after 10th exam. Those children who write NTSE exam and clear the exam, all I can tell you that they are going to easily clear IIT or JEE. From JEE exam, I'm coming to the point. It's conducted twice in a year. You can directly go to Navy. Likho na sir, JEE se Navy ja sakte. It's a technical entry scheme. You can see in the chat box, I'm writing TES. Those who are not knowing about it, please type your mobile number so that I can directly chat with you. And I'm also typing my mobile number. You can ask me on my WhatsApp any queries regarding this. If you want to enter Indian Army, Navy, Air Force through technical entry scheme, TES, you have to either get a very good score in JEE or you have to get a very good score in your board exams. Or you have to give an exam conducted by CME. CME ka full form is College of Military Engineering. See, Navy is in the Navy, technical entry Navy children who clear the exam and go to Navy training is in Erimala. Ezhimala. Erimala. It is a beautiful place with its own backwater. There is, it's fantastic, absolutely tranquil and serene place to visit. So I want you people to see, at least Google Erimala, Ezhimala, and find out the facilities. So the children should get the passion to join. They should think that I should also be there. You join the Navy or Army or Air Force when you are 18, and within 15 years, that is 33 years, you can retire and you can enjoy life. That is the best profession that you can have. They have got water sports which even Ambani's child cannot have. So this is the kind of things that we have. It's a privilege. It is a respect to serve the nation. And ultimately, I'll come to the thing that I call is NDA, the most prestigious institute in India. It is called National Defence Academy. It is in Khadakwasla, Pune, and our coaching center is also in Pune. We also provide online coaching. A child has to prepare for this exam when he's right. I told you now, right when he's in 4th standard. If you see anybody who's in Sainik school also has to give NDA. If he's in RMS, he has to give NDA. If he's in RMC, he has to give NDA. If he's in SPI Aurangabad, there is an exam by there is an institute in Maharashtra where only Maharashtrian children are selected, domiciled children are selected. From 1 lakh, they select only 60. It is also a prestigious institute in Aurangabad, which I forgot. But even if I should encourage all states to have this kind of institutes in all the states. Even Tamil Nadu should have a SPI in Tamil Nadu. If those who are connected politically or in the education field, they should tell the government to have a separate institute for 11th and 12th only for NDA preparation. In NDA preparation, you have 300 marks maths, which is the basic hurdle. I say hurdle because children are not good at maths. They have to attempt 120 questions in 150 minutes. So it's not an easy thing. The statistics say in the 75 years of Indian independence, the exam is conducted twice a year. No child is able to write 60 correct answers till now. That shows that it is too lengthy and people are not able to clear that 50% cutoff till now. But now, because of the social media boom, there are a lot of content available in the market. So the topics have become tough. A child has to learn mathematics that he has learned in 10th, he has learned in 11th, he has learned in 12th. Almost there are 30 topics. And he has to be skilled. He should be having a niche, N-I-C-H-E, that he has to develop in him in order to clear this exam. Niche means something very important. He has to develop that skill. Now, for example, we are doing calculus for a month. When you do calculus for a month, then only you are able to analyze the sums within 1 minute. And to analyze that sums in 1 minute, we call it as sattas. See, basically, sattas is not rule. It is not an axiom. It is not a theorem. It is not a corollary. It is not a sign or a symbol. It is not logical. I can say it is disruptive and it is innovative. Disruptively good. D-I-S-R-U-P-T-I-V. Disruptive and innovative. You can watch the mathematics that has been taught by almost all online platforms, and you please visit the classes that we teach. We have a very different mode of teaching mathematics. And we teach them inherent skill of, what I call as reverse psychology. Or in Indian language, I call it Jugad. Jugad, Jugalbandi, these are the terms which are patented by me. I call Amar Akbar Anthony in mathematics. Mathematics has to be fun. We call it as Changu Mangu, Chandal Chaukadi. So the children has to get a feel and a fun of doing mathematics with passion. He should have more interest of doing mathematics rather than playing any video games, which is available on the net. How there is an addiction. Addiction. There should be an addiction for mathematics. then only it is easy for him, the boy, to clear. He should be able to clear what I call HOTS. HOTS, HOTS. What is HOTS? Higher order thinking skills. Now, if you type HOTS, higher order thinking skills, it will be available in all books. Once I was in Tamil Nadu, and the Tamil Nadu state textbook sums are quite better than in the Maharashtra textbook sums in some subjects. If you go to Gujarat, if the statistics is more better in Gujarat state textbook rather than the books that we follow. There are a lot of books that can be followed. There is a book called Cengage, CENGAGE, which is one of the best books to solve MCQs right now. So unless and until you have to have a very definite frame of joining the defense forces, what we do is the basic exam or the easiest exam that is conducted is Airman XY. Type karo sir, Airman XY. So content in Airman XY is the same as NDA, but a children, if he is studying for Airman XY, it becomes easy for him to reach NDA. Then there is an exam called SSR. There is an exam called SSR. Then there is an exam called AA. You can type and Google the full form. Artificial Apprentice. So they have the same syllabus. The syllabus that is there in SSR and AA is same as NDA, but that is more easier than NDA. Then the next exam is IMU CET. That exam is also very good. IMU CET. And then comes your the level of difficulty, your NEET or JEE questions. And through NEET also you can join AFMC. That is also a very good way of joining the defense forces, becoming a doctor. AFMC type course. AFMC. Remember, it is not about only becoming a doctor, but BSc nursing is also good. BSc nursing through AFMC is also good. People are not aware of this exam. So after that 300 marks cut-off exam by NDA, in NDA there is almost 8 lakh children sitting every 6 months. And after that 8 lakh children, only 8,000 are selected in the written exam, which consists of 300 marks of maths, which is a cut-off, and 600 marks of GAT. Right, GAT. What is GAT? General ability test. General ability test covers 200 marks science, 200 marks of English, pure English, and 200 marks of general knowledge, which will cover your history, civics, geography, your polity, your economics, your current affairs, from standard 1 to 12th NCERT book. Because of NCERT. 200 marks of science, the division is 100 marks of physics. That is one question carries 4 marks, so almost 25 questions. 15 questions on chemistry and 10 questions on bio. So this is the way, or English also, whatever normally comprehension, passages, synonyms, antonyms, grammar. So this is the way 600 marks is allotted to the second paper. But mind you, the second paper is checked only when you clear the mathematics paper. But now the importance of GAT has also improved because you have to give at least get a passing percentage in all the exams. कोई questions है क्या सर हमको पूछने का? हाँ? Any questions are there? You can ask in between. So I'll be in. So you have a question you can ask in between. The next exam that I talk about NDA, why I talk about NDA is when you go to NDA, a boy who is almost 16 and a half, when he clears the 10th standard and he starts preparing for his dream, then he can appear the exam till he is attaining an age of 19. So almost he gets 5 attempts. So his first attempt is when he is in the 11th standard. He's appearing for 12th. Like that, he'll get 2 attempts when he's in 12th and 2 more attempts when he's cleared 12th. So till 19 years, he can give this exam. And if somebody is very serious about that exam, definitely the boy will be able to clear. The law of averages say is able to clear in the second attempt. So, but the only thing that I always say that he has to be motivated to give this exam. If it's not motivated, then it becomes very difficult to maintain the standard. Somebody who has cleared the exam and he has to go through 3 processes. The first stage is to clear the written exam. So 8,000 children are selected after the written exam. The second stage is SSB, Service Selection Board, where he has to clear a hurdle where he has to have OLQ qualities. Likho sir, OLQ, officer-like qualities. After that, 800 children are selected after the SSB, and after his physical fitness, only 400 children are entering into the prestigious NDA, out of which the preference is given to Air Force, and then Army, and then Navy. Now, what happens to a child? Suppose somebody is asking me what happens to a child. He's studying till 19 years and is not able to clear this exam. I can challenge you that if you are planning to study for NDA, definitely if you are not able to clear NDA, you will be able to clear SSR, Artificial Apprentice, or any other exam that you give. Now, what we will think is we will be optimistic. Optimistic type. Or everybody has to be optimistic. A pessimist will never be successful. So to be optimistic, what you have to do is think that if I am rejected in the SSB, in the graduation level, because when he's 19, he's in the first year of engineering or first year of any degree course. What he has to do is, he has to study for his CDS, Combined Defense Service Examination, CDSC. So any graduate, whether it is arts, commerce, whether it is doing from NIS or IGNOU or any board, a child can appear for CDS exams. Now, there are various exams by the name of CDS or similar to CDS. One more exam is SSC CGL. SSC CGL. Then there is one more exam which is called AFCAT. Then there is one more exam which is called Assistant Commander exam. Then there is one more exam which is called as, CAPF, Central Armed Police Force. And there is one more exam called as TA, Territorial Army. MS Dhoni is in Territorial Army. There is an exam by CISF, Internal Security Force, Central Internal Security Force, CISF. And there are many exams when you are at the graduation level. I can challenge that a child, or I can assure that if you have joined classes with me, online, offline, a child who is studying for 90 NS for NDA, it is very easy for that boy to crack. Now I will say the boy and the girl, because serious exams can be given by girls also, to easily clear this exam. And then he can become, he or she can become an officer by clearing the CDS exam. CDS exam is also like NDA only. They give more importance to current affairs, but the difficulty level in the last 5 years has increased. But it is not up to the NDA level, because NDA you have got a lot of questions from calculus, where CDS doesn't have. CDS generally deals with algebra and geometry till the 10th level, profit and loss, sums based on work. There is a book called R.S. Agarwal, Aptitude, which is a very fantastic book. Anybody who wants to join a company also want to check his aptitude or intelligence, is all from that book. So even if you study from that book, it is enough to clear CDS. Other than that, there is also one more exam called INEET. Very few people come to know about this exam. INEET exam is conducted by, it's a new exam now, it's just introduced by the government last year. A person from technical entry, INEET, I-N-E-T, can only give this exam. If somebody is not joined any technical course, like, core, mechanical, electrical, I'm not talking about computer IT, they don't take. I'm talking about very technical courses, electrical, mechanical, telecommunications. This kind of engineering children, when they are in the 4th year of engineering, can give this exam. And it is called as INEET. So there are various technical entry through which you can enter the Army, Navy, Air Force.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
how are you, sir?
Fantastic. Tell me, sir.
Acha, sir, I have a plan to execute. I want to execute that plan because I'm seeing that Muslims are behind from other person, so that I'm planning that we are gathering 400 to 500 candidate to join Indian Army and state police. So because I have no experience for that, so I want to I want to use your views. How can you support?
Where are you calling from?
Hello,
Where are you calling from, sir?
I am from Ghaziabad, sir.
So I have a teacher who is from Ghaziabad. His name is Shahrukh.
Actually, sir, my lead is some problem. I'm
See,
checking
sir,
this.
we can talk
just a
about
minute,
that
sir.
later after this meeting.
दूसरी lead है हेडफोन कोई नहीं दूसरा हेडफोन दूसरा
सर
headphone
ये मीटिंग के बाद हम आपसे बात करेंगे. हाँ? मेरा नंबर मैंने भेजा है. अब we can talk after this meeting. Right now I'm only concentrating on defense career as defense competitive exams. So any other question that you have to ask?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Assalamualaikum, sir. My name is Fahad, and my question is that whenever any graduate student goes for the this SSB, what should be how should be preparing?
See, SSB preparation is done by people who are from the army background. So I know a lot of people who are from the army background, and if only they can help you to clear SSB. One of my very good friend, his name is Colonel Khandekar, and I am associated with him from the last 25 years. So I can share his number. If you chat with me after this meeting, I can share. Remember, SSB can be done only people from the army background, and there are various institutes which only train for SSB, and we outsource people for SSB. So SSB is altogether a very important thing what you said, and we should concentrate on it. But just by reading books, you will not be able to clear SSB.
Sir, are you saying that only defense background people can?
I'm not saying that. I'm saying that somebody who has already been into defense, we call it as group task officer, will be able to train a child to clear SSB.
Achha.
We have to provide training for the child who has cleared the entrance exam. Suppose a child is studying with me, and if he has cleared the entrance exam, I send that child for special coaching for at least 15 days to a person who does this SSB coaching, and it is necessary because there are a lot of things that he has to analyze, he has to understand, and that is why I'm telling you to join Sainik School Satara, or Sainik School in India, wherever, or RMS or RMC. Why the success ratio is more? Because right from the beginning, these children are aware of what is SSB. A civilian child is not able to understand what is SSB.
Sir, I have just one more query. Whatever, because I'm not from defense background and I have no idea about this. But the students I have met who have given this SSB says that that there should be some instinct in the student that only helps them qualify. If you go for any coaching.
So how is that instinct developed? That instinct cannot be developed in some 6 months. I started my lecture with a word called mindset and passion. If the boy or the girl is not have that instinct or that passion to join the defense forces, the positivity, I use the word optimistic, then he or she will not be able to join.
So are you saying that
पहले ही कहा कि जुनून चाहिए, जुनून. एक बच्चे को पूछा गया, 5th attempt, उसका 5th SSB था, उसमें उन्होंने पूछा कि आपको हम अगर आपको सेलेक्ट नहीं करेंगे तो आप क्या करेंगे? तो द बॉय रिप्लाइड कि अगर आपने नहीं बुलाया तो मैं सर आपको सीडीएस देके आपके पास आ जाऊंगा. So we need that kind of positivity in the child, and that is what they see, and that cannot be developed overnight or in 6 months. It has to be there from the beginning. Therefore, in today's lecture, I started from first standard. फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड से बच्चों का ड्रीम बनाना चाहिए, मोटिवेट करना चाहिए, माइंडसेट बनाना चाहिए, फोकसिंग करना चाहिए. Then only he'll be able to join the defense forces.
Sir, I have one more question.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Thank you very much for your answer, sir. Sir, I am from Mewat,
Yeah.
Haryana, and in our village,
Tell me, sir.
in the
Hello. I'm not able to hear you. Somebody was asking me about 10,000 hour system of mastery. Fantastic, sir. Mr. Junaid, I'm very happy that you know about this. Very few people are knowing about this mastery. One of the words that I also shared with you, there is 6 steps. It is not only about mastery, there are 6 steps. I'll be taking another lecture, or you can contact me later on after the lecture, because right now I'm focused only on defense career. It is not about mathematics. Here it is about defense career now. But one more word you can write down, which I've already typed in the chat box. It is niche. So there are 6 steps to attain that mastery. It is not one. I want to type, Shahrukh sir, again type niche. And also type 3 things more that I want to talk about is problem-based learning, purpose-based learning, and project-based learning. It's an international concept, like peer learning we type karo, which happens at Anis classes. So here we are putting our research in these 3. I don't know whether you have heard about it. If somebody's heard about it, it's very good. If not, please Google problem-based learning, purpose-based learning, and project-based learning. And one more learning I said is peer learning.
Sir, can I ask the question again, sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually, I'm from Mewat, Haryana, and there are a lot of like young boys who have very good physical strength, and they can join the defense or police services. So, what do you suggest them to go for, sir? Their English is not very good.
See, I have a very good friend in Mewat. His name is Amir Abidi. If you know him, he's doing a lot of work in the field of education. He's also running a school in Fulat called Vision Academy. And he's also having a training center in Mewat. I have a friend, I can connect him to you. And he's doing a very noble work of teaching, in fact, free, almost free, for children who are not able to pay also. So I will advise you to join. And do you know that the first education minister of India, who was the first education minister of India? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad.
Maulana Abul Kalam Azad.
He got elected from Mewat. Correct. But as far as education is concerned, now Mewat has gone down. So we have to put more efforts. So I'll get connected you to Amir Abidi, and definitely I can also help there, because I always visit him at his center. So whatever help you want me to, for him, for Mewati, I'm always ready. We can talk to this about after the program. You can share your number, I can chat. Any other question related to different competitive exam?
Yeah. Anis bhai, this is Nazir from Mumbai.
Yes, Nazir bhai.
Okay, so Anis bhai, alhamdulillah, good. So I just wanted to know, so is there any possibility where I have seen that after completing the law graduation, LLB, is there any chance where we can get into defense?
Yeah, but then again, I can repeat. I think you have to give CLAT, if I'm not wrong. The entry is based through CLAT, and I'm not very sure about it. But there is a legal entry. I have the data with me. I can share it to you. My teacher Rupal, she takes care of it, because law is not my subject. But there is an entry that I'm very sure.
Yes. So basically, CLAT is for the 12th standard. CLAT is for 12th standard, and doing for masters from National Institute of Law.
After your graduation also.
Yes. After graduation, there
is an entry in the defense forces. I'm very sure, but I'm not very elaborate more. But I can share you the details.
Okay,
I have it in PDF.
Okay.
But you can definitely join, and I want people to join. It's a very good course. See, like for example, somebody is doing BSc Statistics. You can also go for forensic if you are very good in mathematics. So similarly, somebody is a lawyer, and especially corporate-based lawyer, and the military laws are different. So you need to know more about it, and you can join after your graduation also. But there is an entrance test for it.
Okay. Thank you.
सर इसके बारे में मेरे को याद दिलाओ, रूपल को पूछना है आफ्टर लॉ. बोलिए सर, एनीथिंग एल्स? Thanks for the compliment. This is, I'm very humble. Every Muslim has to be an humble person. Humility will always help lead to better gains. We follow the policy of givers gain. So type karo givers gain. And dedication is important because unless and until you are not focused and you don't want to give back to the society, the Almighty will question you for your salat. सिर्फ जान माल और वक्त का हिसाब नहीं होगा, आपके सलात का भी हिसाब होगा, आपके जज्बात का, आपकी सोच की, आपकी फिक्र की. तो आपको अल्लाह ताला ने जो दिया है, खुदा ने जो आपको दिया है, भगवान ने जो आपको दिया है, अगर आप वापस उस सोसाइटी को नहीं देंगे तो पूछ होगी. इसलिए आपको you have to
Anish bhai, I have a question, one more. Nazir from Mumbai. So basically, I teach 10th standard. And I've taught around 11 and 12 standard of commerce also. So me as a teacher, I take science and maths for 10th standard. So any more learning for me to get into this, getting into this full time of doing maths as a maths teacher. Though I am an engineer, I work in a software company as a tester now. But I do it as a passionately teach students in my area. So any guidance with respect to that? How I can improve with maths? Any books?
Nazir bhai, I guess sir left the meeting.
Sorry for the network issues. There was some issue.
It's okay, sir.
You're welcome.
You was asking some question. Tell me.
Okay, so I was asking the question, Nazir from Mumbai. So basically, Anish bhai, I teach a 10th standard student. I have taught around 11 and 12 for commerce, maths also.
Yeah.
So I teach basically maths and science. So me as a teacher, what would if I want to get into this more teaching maths? Any guidance for me?
Yeah. There are books that we follow. The first book that I follow is for R.S. Agarwal.
Okay. Yes, I have that.
Then after this, that is a level 1 book. It is called Maths for MBA. The second book that we follow is Manjul Tyagi.
Manjul Tyagi.
Aryan publication.
Okay.
Likho na. Third book that we follow is by Pearson. It's an old Pearson book, not the new one. It's a very good book. And then we also follow Cengage publication, which is the toughest book right now. So you have to, Cengage, CENGAGE.
Okay.
And the best book about mathematics, if you want to teach and when the children want to learn, right now the best book available in the market is Objective Mathematics by R.D. Sharma.
R.D. Sharma.
Yeah, Objective Mathematics, a big book, volume 1, volume 2.
Okay.
So if somebody is a master into solving that sums, it becomes easy for them to clear NDA.
Okay.
And children from commerce can easily clear because I saw in Gujarat they have to do statistics.
Yes.
There is almost 20 questions which is coming from statistics.
Okay.
So even it is no problem that somebody has taken commerce or arts. He can give ND exams. That's not a problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other questions, sir? Sorry for the delay or short.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm Mansoor from Chennai.
Yes, Mansoor, tell me.
Sir, you said we need to have passion towards these defense forces and all. Like how to improve those officer-like qualities? Because I'm a part of NCC, and I feel like why would I leave a civil life which I feel is qualitative, and to some part which I have to go through the ragadas physically and mentally as well.
See, the ragadas or the physical aspect is only till you are in the training. See, suppose somebody is in NDA and after the training part is over, I don't think they have that kind of ragadas. See, tell me, Mansoor, one thing. Which job or which job security you have, which allows you to do whatever you want to do after 15 years. Suppose you are through NCC also you can enter into the Indian Defence Forces. After your entry, after 18 years of service, you get a very good pension, a very good reputation, a prestige point that you have served the nation. And after 33 years or 35 years, you are out of the system. You are getting everything, all other facilities. Companies are ready to absorb you. You can lead a life that you want. Tell me any other civilian profession which allows you to do. See, I am making a lot of money. I am not saying no, but I have to be fully engrossed. 24/7, I have to be there on my toes. Then only I can earn my bread and butter. So, if you are in the Army, Navy, Air Force, after 15 years of service, you are leading a very good life. I repeat, Ambani's child cannot play that kind of sports, water sports. See, if I ask the audience to write some water sports, they cannot name more than 5. So there are so many water sports and water adventurous activities which a child can enjoy, a youth can enjoy. It is training a civilian cannot. So that kind of passion has to be there in him.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
If that is not there, and most important, remember, शहीद का जर्दा, खून का कतरा जमीन पर गिरने से पहले अल्लाह उसकी मगफिरत करे।
Yes,
देश
sir.
के लिए लड़ना और देश के लिए सर्व करना, वो उसका अगर वो शहीद भी हो गया ना तो जन्नत में जाएगा। आप किसी मुफ्ती से भी फतवा ले सकते हैं।
ठीक है,
ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि अपने देश के लिए लड़ना, और सुन्नत है घुड़सवारी करना और बाकी चीजें को हासिल करना, स्किल्स हासिल करना। Where in India you can learn other than the defense forces?
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Thank you, sir.
Somebody was asking me something. Tell me.
Sir, I have one more question. Whether when there is any graduate preparing for CGL or something like that, what are the things which he can prepare to go for the defense? Are there any courses which are like less competitive as compared to this SSB and all? Is any?
There are various level of entries. The entries that I spoke about is to become an officer. So if you have to become a class 3, class 4, class 1, class 2, there are various other entries which I am not speaking. Here I was only speaking about how to become an officer. Suppose, for example, I spoke about SSR. SSR is something like you become a police sub inspector. After the police station. Yeah. Walaikum salam. Let me complete this. Yeah, yes. Tell me, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, Munis bhai. I am Abidin from Madras.
Tell me,
sir. Now only I joined this debate. Sorry for this late joining in this
No problem. Just let me complete my sentence for somebody else. Then I'll talk to you. Suppose you enter into become a police inspector. You can, through the institute, you can give lot of exams and you can become the commissioner also. It is called ACC, Armed Cadet Corps exam. So there are various ways. Once you enter into the setup, there are various exams through which you can improve yourself. So the best thing that you have to teach your children is how somewhere, some entry point you have to get into the defense forces. Because once you get into the defense forces, you can definitely improve yourself. Just tell me, Abidin sir.
Assalamu alaikum ji. So I want to know this, how many training schools in Tamil Nadu?
Only one.
And also I want to know that is it possible to join in that schools after completing the 10th standard? Is it possible?
No. Only in 6th and 9th. 6th and 9th. Somebody type the place where Saini school in Tamil Nadu is there.
No, Mama.
And I think Nazir, you got the answer in the chat box. The exam is called Judge Advocate General. All law graduates can enter into defense through that exam.
Sir, Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir, my name is Fahad. I live in Noida. Sir, I just wanted to know, like, according to you, is this army pilot more respected or commercial pilot?
आर्मी पायलट पैसा भी कम लगता है और इज्जत भी ज्यादा है. कमर्शियल पायलट को पैसे भी ज्यादा रहता है और मुश्किल भी है लाइसेंस मिलना. इतना आसान नहीं है. इंडिया में तो है नहीं है और बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूट है जो बेवकूफ बनाते हैं. इसमें बच के भी रहना.
ओके सर.
सबसे अच्छा है इंडियन अगर मिग चला रहे 500 आवर्स आप मिग चलाएंगे मिग, तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या होगा? आप बाहर आते ही 15 साल के बाद बाहर आते ही आपको 5 लाख रुपए महीने का जॉब मिलेगा. 5 लाख रुपए महीने का जॉब. सारे इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट्स वाले आपको उठा लेंगे.
ओके सर. सर मैं अभी कमर्शियल का सोच रहा था तो.
हाँ, हमारी कम्युनिटी का प्रॉब्लम है सर. हम लोग पैसा ज्यादा देते बाहर. मैं इनको वही कहता हूँ हमेशा कि उस पैसे से आप बच्चों को ट्रेन करो और इंडियन आर्मी नेवी एयरफोर्स में आ जाओ. एयरफोर्स का एग्जाम दो. अगर एयरफोर्स का एग्जाम दे के अगर आप नहीं बन पाए तो हम सोचेंगे कमर्शियल का.
यस.
काफी पैसे लगते हैं तो उसके लिए.
यस सर. Thank you, sir.
Sir, sir, one more question, sir. I read an article, like I just read the headline about 2 days back that for government jobs you have to have some type of defense training. Is it correct?
No, no, it is in America. अभी इंडिया में आया नहीं है, but even I am for that. That like America, everybody should serve the Indian defense at least for some time. अमेरिका में वो रूल है, इंडिया में भी आना चाहिए, and I am for that. Whether whatever government believes in it or not, but I am for it because I know that brings a lot of discipline in yourself. If you serve the nation for 5 years, Ronald Reagan, the president of America, was there. He served the defense. So there are a lot of people who have served the defense. When you have that you inbuilt officer like qualities आपके अंदर आ जाएगा, होना चाहिए. इंडिया में अभी तक आया नहीं है. हमारे पॉलिटिशियंस भी सुधर जाएंगे इसको.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम. One of my students now, he has just completed his graduation. Now he want to enter in the Air Force. What are the basic formalities to enter in the field?
See, there is a separate exam to enter into the Air Force. It is called AFCAT. I've already, so you have been late. You can read my chat. पहले का chat delete हो गया क्या सर? हाँ, पहले जो type किया वो delete हुआ होगा. Just AFCAT type करो. Sir, Google AFCAT, you will get the answer. AFCAT, AFCAT. If you Google AFCAT, you will get the exam. CAT.
Would you please spell it, sir? AFCAT. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions, sir?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Salam.
I'm Mansoor from Chennai again.
Yeah.
I want to pursue my masters. What if I get into defense? Can I pursue it later after?
Yeah, definitely. What is your graduation?
BCom.
BCom. Definitely you can get into. See, for that reason, in order to get into defense, what is your age now?
19. I have completed my first year in BCom.
Very good. Right now you start preparing for CDS.
Sure, sir.
Once you get into CDS, see, there is lot of things now. See, now it is not about warfare, going on to the physical front, chalo goli maro, aisa nahi hai. See, the army is teaching you defense, drones technology. Intelligence level has reached into artificial intelligence. They are using it. So there are a lot of things that has changed in the period of time. It is not now. It is more of the technical warfare. So there are a lot of things that the army has scope to improve, and they also teach you to learn things at their own cost. Remember this. So won't leave CDS till you can give exam. I think you can give the exam till you attain an age of 22, 23, 25. So until that time, you should not leave CDS. Start preparing for now. There is a book called Aryan Communication.
Sure,
Yes,
sir. Sure, sir.
Aryan
There
Communication
is a
Pathfinder
question, please.
for CDS. Yeah.
Hello.
Tell
For
me,
the
sir.
Spanish schools, is there any the mode of selection in entering in the Spanish schools?
Yes,
You
yes.
have to
There is an
write
exam where
examination, or
examination
there is any
conducted when
special quota for this minority people?
no.
entering in
There is
the
no
Spanish
quota. There is no quota. The quota is district wise. If Tamil Nadu, there are 11 districts. Every district should be represented. And what you have to do is you have to give an exam which consists of English, general knowledge, maths, that he has to clear at the 6th standard level and the 9th standard level. And after the written exam, there is also an interview.
Sir, can you please tell me about IGRUA?
IGRUA. Likho na, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think better IGRU. There are a lot of things to take. There is one more exam like IGRUA. I'll type that, and that is called ICAR. What's your name?
ICAR.
What's your name?
My name is Fahad.
Fahad, can you speak to me after the lecture? Because these two
Okay,
are, I can talk to you more about it.
So one last
I can
question.
WhatsApp you, sir.
Huh?
I can WhatsApp you.
Yeah, definitely. I've written my number. You can WhatsApp me.
Thank you.
So one last question.
Tell me.
I'm a
Yeah,
commerce
I'm ready to
student.
take more questions if the
Yes,
host
sir.
allows me.
Thank you,
Rafiq
sir.
bhai, if there is any problem, I can answer the questions.
Yes, sir. So I'm a commerce student. So is there any chance for me to join the Indian Navy and Air Force as officers?
Navy, you can join. Air Force difficult because you should have physics to join Air Force. In 12th
Okay,
standard
sir.
science, you have to get physics 60% marks.
Yeah.
Then
So
only you can
that's
join
not
Air Force.
possible. So how
But, for
how
Navy,
I
you
can
can
get into the
definitely join.
Navy? Yeah, through which
You have to
exam?
give your CDS exams.
Sure, sir. Okay, sir. Thanks. But In Navy also they are demanding for science stream.
No. Through
Okay,
CDS
sir.
you can go join all three.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Your name?
Mansoor, sir.
Yeah. What is your age group now?
19.
Yeah, very good. Any other questions, sir? I'll be happy to answer, no problem.
Jay, what is the physical fitness for entering into the Air Force after completing the graduation?
See, normally there should not be a hole in the heart. He should not have specs. He should the foot. He should not have any problem with his foot or the legs. You know, the legs are never joined. If you visit my website, I have written all those on my website, www.anisclasses.com. You'll get all the details.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
But a person should not be very short, dwarf. A normal child, definitely, without any major physical inabilities, he can definitely get cleared. The important thing is to clear the entrance exam. The most important thing is to clear the entrance exam. Normal height. That's not a big issue now. Hello? Any other questions? Sangeeta ma'am को recharge करने नहीं बोले तुमने अभी तक. Any other questions, sir? Anything else to be asked? Can I end my session? How to convince parents for all these exams? A very good question, Junaid. Especially among our community, it is very difficult to see whatever problem that we face is because of ourselves. Don't blame others. Don't be crying babies. If we are not giving the exam, somebody who gives the NDA exam, how is the person coming to know that whether he's from which community and which caste or which religion? We are not giving the exam itself. See, RMC is one of the best exams. In Maharashtra, only 500 people are giving it, only 250 people are coming for the exam. So we have to create awareness. So one of the reasons that I am at SAIPA is to create awareness. So thank you, SAIPA, to do such a wonderful job. Sarliko Taifa. And, broadcasting the message that people are going to know about things which is going on, which our community is very away from it. So we have to appear for all exams. And that exams, if you explain and ask the community centers to prepare in children, I can train those teachers. Teacher training is free with me. So somebody who wants to start training the children how to create awareness, or want the children to write Navodaya, Sainik School, RMS, RMC, these are the feeder points for NDA. Because if you start there, then only we will be able to do more. Definitely, I will help, or our institute will help to train the children, and we'll train the teachers. Now, we are also training online, so they can attend our lectures also. I can provide my ID, password, anything. It is absolutely free. No problem. Only my shortcuts has got a patent. Learning things from me is not a patent. Somebody was asking me to know more about INEET exam. BTech student or any technical graduate only can give that exam in the 4th year. Technical means computer. B, computers will not be regarded as technical. B, IT will not be regarded as core technical. Core likho sir, core. Core technical matlab electrical, mechanical, telecommunication. 4 branches people can give INEET exams, and they will be selected as an officer in the Indian Navy. Navy के लिए अलग से technical entry नहीं होता था. Now they have started in the last 2 years. So very few people know about this exam. The name of the exam is called INEET. Okay. Any other questions? Thank you, sir. Anything else you want to chat or you want to know? Again, I can help you out if something is there. Sorry for the technical glitches. Yes, tell me.
Sir, for commercial pilot, what is the job security? Like, will you get the job after getting CPL, or do we have to wait some years? Or can you please explain it?
What's your name?
My name is Fahad.
And where are you calling from, Fahad?
I'm calling from Noida, sir.
And what have you done now? 11th, 12th?
I've done my 12th standard. I'm 18 years old.
And science, commerce, arts?
I've taken science, biomaths.
What I will suggest you, why don't you give your NDA exams till you attain 19? And if you are not able to get, then only go for your commercial pilot license.
Okay, sir.
Because NDA exam form is only 100 rupees. And if you get into Air Force, you will save a lot of money of your parents. and that money can be utilized in some other ways. If you are not able to do Air Force through NDC, there is a look at the adventure. You are what is better, to ride a commercial aeroplane or to ride a fighter plane big? What is better?
I want a fighter plane, sir. But my parents, they are scared. They are like.
अरे nothing to scare यार. क्या मुझे बता, कमर्शियल पायलट का पानी भी नहीं गिरेगा. कमर्शियल पायलट इंडोनेशिया का एक प्लेन 6 months बैक पूरा का पूरा फ्लाइट के साथ पूरे पैसेंजर्स के साथ गायब हो गया. किसी को पता ही नहीं कहाँ गया. जापान ने उस पर रिसर्च किया तो उनको पता चला कि उनको भी पता नहीं है. 91% ओशनोग्राफी के बारे में पढ़ना चालू किया. इसके लिए मैं बताता हूँ, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. IMUCT में 5 अलग अलग ब्रांचेस है. उसमें एक है नेवल टेक्नोलॉजी, नेवल आर्किटेक्चर, मराइन इंजीनियरिंग. जो बच्चा एनवायरमेंट के बारे में पढ़ना चाहता है ना, उसने ये अपना प्रोफेशन उसमें लाना चाहिए कि उसको जो बहुत सारा जॉब है उसमें. एलॉन मस्क को किसी से सुना है कि एलॉन मस्क?
यस सर.
हाँ, उसको फॉलो करो. ELON. So you have to know more about environment, and you have to know more about environment connected. Oceanography is a very important structure. One more exam that I missed is what I said is NATA, architecture. क्योंकि शिपिंग में भी बहुत आर्किटेक्चर है. अभी आर्किटेक्चर को बहुत स्कोप है. So don't miss this also. Somebody has interest in it.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Anything else? Anybody left out?
Understand. One of my students, they got NCCC certificate examination. He has passed.
Sir, it is very good. It is very good. You can directly enter into the service through NCC. You should encourage children to go for NCC. There is one more thing called NCC. It is called Sea Cadet Corps. That is also good. NCC के जैसा ही है. Sea Cadet Corps type करो. SEA. Sea Cadet Corps. This is also very good. SEA. Space Cadet Corps.
Sir, want to know how to become a pilot.
CORPS. What is your age?
My students will be asking, sir, like I'm a teacher. The students in 10th.
Tell them from what your teacher, till what standard are you teaching them?
10th standard.
Tell them what I repeat once more, right from first standard onwards. Let them study Vedic mathematics. Let them give scholarship exam. Let them give Olympiads. Prepare them for Sainik school. Prepare them for Navodaya. Prepare them for RMS. Prepare them for RMC. Prepare them for all entrance exams like NTSC, KVPY, and then they come to NDA. Then it will be easy for that boy to crack NDA. After cracking NDA, he become an officer and he can be a pilot.
Sir, what about girls, sir? Are they allowed in NDA?
It is allowed. Government has given GR. They have started building hostels now. The Northeast has started taking admissions also.
Oh,
so
that's
within
great.
2-3 years, everywhere you will have girls admission.
Great. Thank you so much, sir.
Anything else, sir?
So, is there any chance to establish your institute, your academy in Tamil Nadu area, in either area of Tamil Nadu?
Sir, right, everything is online now. I can teach you from here. I have the best staff here, and I can also. I teach mathematics. So I cannot travel everywhere, but definitely it is better for online education right now. After the lockdown, I can think about collaborating with you.
Theoretical information we can get from this online, but what about the physical things? How to improve our physical?
The physical is not so important. Physical is not so important. That I can always help you what physical activities has to be done. Right now, you remember, sir, what is most important is to clear the written exam. It is not easy. I repeat, it is not easy to clear any written exam. 8 लाख में से सिर्फ 8,000 आते हैं. 1% सक्सेस. चार्टर्ड अकाउंट का भी अभी 2% हो गया. So it is not easy to clear the written exam. So what we have to concentrate is more of asking our children to write the exam. उसके बाद आता है physical activity. सारे लोगों ने बड़े-बड़े institutes बना के रखे हैं, and they are spending crores of rupees in making swimming pool and horse riding and whatnot. But they are not getting results. I am the only institute in India which has got the success ratio of selecting 550 plus students in the Army Navy. Alhamdulillah. And this year also 7 students have entered from my institute. See, only 400 are taken in every 6 months. So total 7 from this 6 months. In 1 year, almost 15 students have gone from my institute. So out of the 400 students, which every 6 months NDA take, 7 to 8 students are from my class. And this record I can challenge no other institute is having. The reason behind this, one is Allah's help, and second is we are putting a lot of effort. Alhamdulillah. 1 month preparation, you can join our classes, online, offline, both, Pranav. Send me your number. We have to go through NDA to become an Air Force officer. See, I'm not at all encouraging. See, I'm not against CPL, but I'm not encouraging. There is an institute in somewhere in UP about CPL also, but I'm not encouraging CPL because the fees are quite high. It is always better to try your exam through NDA because NEET का एग्जाम को भी 1500 का फॉर्म भरना पड़ता है, 1500 रुपीज. NDA का एग्जाम को सिर्फ 100 रुपए का फॉर्म भरना पड़ता है. जेई का भी महंगा है फॉर्म. Yeah. Those children who are preparing for JEE exam, or you can easily pass. अभी तक JEE का एग्जाम डिक्लेयर नहीं हुआ है डेट, और साल में 2 बार होता है. You can easily clear. You can always chat with me, Junaid. There should not be any hurdle or hindrance for anybody's education. I have also come from a very poor background. My fees are high or whatever it is. I don't want to discuss my fees. Now we can discuss it later on. You can personally chat me. This institute is in Raebareli, Rajiv Gandhi Pilot Institute. But the fees are quite high there. It's a good institute. I'm not discouraging people to join. But I always tell that first go through NDA. If you're not becoming an officer, you can join that. Yes, sir. So can I end the meeting? Anything else? Pucho, your ability to communicate with others will account for fully 85% of your success in your business and in your life. So unless you don't communicate, unless you don't come up, ask. बच्चा रोता है ना तो माँ दूध पिलाती है. तो जब तक आप पूछेंगे तो समझ में नहीं आएगा. If everything is okay with this, talk about NDA. NDA I've already spoken. Anything else you want to know, I can tell me. Abu Tahir, you can personally chat with me on my mobile number. I can WhatsApp with your details of SSC entry and Navy and Army entry. हाँ, chat box में दाया नंबर एक और बार डालो खत्म कर दो. 9890-826344. Don't take a drop to prepare for JEE. There is no need to take a drop. Junaid, prepare for NDA, prepare for JEE without taking a drop. Chat to me personally, I'll help you out. Anything else? और कोई चैट में बाकी है सर? कुछ पूछना? इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लिया तो अच्छा है. सेव करो. Saipa, very thankful to you about Saipa TV, Saipa Jobs, Saipa Institute for Industrial Education. Saipa is doing a very noble job. I am very thankful to Saipa for allowing me to speak to you all for an hour, allowing me to explain about defense competitive exam. Any help that you need from me, Saipa, I'm always there for you. Let me know. One question that I have not replied is about SAI. Somebody who wants to go to sports. See, there is a lot of opportunities for people who are into sports. Type SAI. I don't know whether you know about SAI. Sports Authority of India. Go to their website. You get a lot of opportunities through which you can get into sports and job. Design-based jobs in Air Force. Yes, after graduation. See, there is 2 very good courses in IIT Guwahati and IIT Mumbai. That is UCEED. You should go for that. IIT Mumbai and IIT Guwahati. GU Guwahati. Spelling wrong, sir. W. So the name of the program is UCEED. UCEED like that. Right. UCEED. Design program है, very good. If you do from IIT DA, sir, last name, right? UCEED. Anything else? Sir, I need an information about political science subjects career. We want to be a professor in foreign countries like Gulf countries. Why only foreign countries? If you are good at political science, you can you should strive for a UPSC. UPSC go. There are a lot of exams through conducted by UPSC. If you're good at political science, you will be able to clear that exam. Serve in India for some year, then you can go outside. Or you will give your IFS exam, Indian Foreign Service, IFS. Junaid का number है sir. ठीक है sir. Saipa, thank you for this. Abidin sir, you want to ask something?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Mr. Ranisa. I got a wonderful clarification in the field of defense. But actually, I joined in the debate just half an hour before only. I'm extremely sorry for that not entering on time. Anyhow, I got wonderful information. Such information was highly useful not only for me, for my students also. Thank you very much, and thank you for Saipa team.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Anything else you want to know, you can always chat with me. I'm always there for you.
Sure, inshallah, I will contact you in your personal number, inshallah.
Thank you, sir.
I requested you to spare some time to give some information in later days.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. Rafiq bhai, can I leave the meeting? Rafiq bhai? पूछो रफीक भाई को मेरा मोबाइल क्या रफीक भाई को बोलो मीटिंग छोड़ दो हाँ यस सर थैंक यू
Thank you very much for Saipa team, Mr. Rafiq and brothers. This type of information was highly useful to all, not only our community students, but all students, those who are looking to enter in the field. This type of information was very useful. Sanis Bhai had given us wonderful clarification to enter in the new field. It's a defense field for our community. It is a very needed in present time. So we have to encourage our younger students to enter in that field of defense, army, air force, like that. Such a program it will be highly useful to our society. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot for Cyber team and the respected NIS Academy, the founders. Once again, thank you. Thank you very much.